This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Wall. Available now. Home built in 2010. 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths and a 1-car garage with opener. Open floor plan, kitchen with dishwasher and built-in microwave. Kitchen and dining tiled flooring throughout. Master walk-in closet, side fenced patio. Stackable washer and dryer included as well as lawn mowing. Just steps from historic downtown Melbourne. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Wall at 321-308-0350.